Hey, I'm Chef Tom with All Things Barbecue, and today I want to show you a very simple technique for preparing your holiday ham. Today we'll be working with a fully cooked ham, so there's two things that we want to add to that, and that's smoke and then flavor through a glaze. Our ham is a Creekstone Farms spiral sliced fully cooked ham. To make the glaze, we'll need 2 cups of brown sugar, a half cup of Granny's jalapeno mustard, a half cup of Cosmos Q Killer Bee Chipotle honey rub, and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. So because we're using a fully cooked ham, all we're really doing is reheating the meat. And we're gonna get it up to an internal temperature of 135 degrees. We do wanna take the opportunity to add some smoke and some flavor to the meat. That's why we're going to be using an Amazing Smoke Tube today to add extra smoke flavor. We'll be cooking the ham at 350 degrees today on our Yoder Smokers YS640. So with the ham taking on smoke and warming up, we'll go inside and mix up our glaze. So obviously with these 4 ingredients, what we're going for is a sweet mustard glaze on this ham. We're gonna get a little chili flavor from the jalapeno mustard, and a lot of sweetness from the brown sugar as well as the rub that's kind of got a honey-based flavor to it. Once it gets to about 100 degrees, we can begin to glaze the ham. We're simply brushing on the glaze on the outside of the ham. And we'll repeat this process every half hour or so until the ham gets to 135 degrees internal temperature. Now the sugars from our glaze are caramelizing really nicely on the outside, and it's gonna give this ham great flavor and texture. With the internal temperature now at 135, we can remove the ham from the pit. Another great thing about the spiral sliced ham is that most of the work is done for you when it comes to actually slicing it. Now the bottom of your pan that you cook the ham in should be full of this delicious juice. Don't get rid of that. As you cut these slices off, you can put them right back in the pan and keep them warm in there until you're ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching, and a special thanks to YouTube user AWW for suggesting the ham video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, and if you've got any questions or comments or there's anything else you guys would like to see me cook, let me know in the comments down below. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to thesauce.atbbq.com. All Things Barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.